I just want to right there. Use anything at all. Make it work. I'm gonna get a hammer and beat on that. I just had my hammer. Just want to make it look best I can. Don't know if this hammer's gonna do it or not. Bigger hammer. I'm gonna hang it on the wall, so I want it to look good. I'm gonna make a wall hanger out of it. Or, well, I'm gonna make a wall hanger out of it until I find something that I want to put it on. Basically. Right there. Must be spring steel. Oh, got a little bit that time. Ooh, that's looking good. Hard to bend. Got her. I know gutter's the last thing that goes on, but I got her. Right on. All right, I'm gonna do this. Generally, I would sandblast it. I'm gonna take this off, but I have some awesome fans on YouTube that sent us some flapper wheels, and I'm going to use them. It's not the one I want. It's an 80 grit. I'm going to get a 40 grit. Sorry about that. .40 grit sharper than 80. Basically, that's the reason why I want to use it. Just going to clean the bumper best we can with the flapper wheel. Looks good and round now. You can see what I said, ow, and I stuck it in the hand. It's the chrome coming off the bumper, and I just want to grind it off or flush it off so the chrome sticks nice, gives a nice flat surface.